All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. Let's get into another type of problem. Given set number one of numbers, we have 11, 3, 7, 4, 3, and 1. What is the mode? What is the median? And what is the mean? What is the mean? What is the median? What is the mode? Stick around. We're going to go over that step by step. All right, so given the set of numbers, what is the mode? Well, the mode is the most seen number in the data set. And if you look through the data set here, you can see that the 3 is seen twice. So our mode is simply 3. Okay, what is the median? Well, the median represents a middle number, and it gets a little complicated. We'll go over that in detail sometimes. And what is the mean? The mean is the average. The mean is the average. Let's look at these a little bit closer. Let's put these under the microscope and look at these step by step. All right, so what is the median, the middle number in set number 1? So the first step, the first task is that we must rewrite the number in order from least to greatest values. That's from smallest to the largest number. So as you can see up here, these numbers are not written from smallest to largest. So you must, in order to find the middle number or the median, you must rewrite these numbers from smallest, least, or greatest, largest in value. Okay, so you can see here for set number 1, we've rewritten the numbers in order from least, smallest, to greatest, 11. So 1, and then next comes 3, 3, and then a 4. After 4, 7, and after 7, 11. And you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in this data set, right? And 6 numbers is an even data set. So there's something special about an even data set, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Those are examples of even numbers, right? And the rule is if you have an even data set, you add the 2 middle numbers after you've placed them in order from least to greatest. Then you would divide by 2 to find the median. If you have an odd data set, right? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. These are examples of odd numbers. Then the median would just be the number right in the middle. So this is an even data set. We're going to add the 2 numbers in the middle and divide by 2. All right, so again, we are going to follow through with step 2. We're going to be adding the 2 middle numbers, and then we're going to divide by 2, again, because this is an even data set in finding the median. All right, here, so you can see the 2 middle numbers, 3 and 4. Counting from the outside, there's 1, 2, 3 numbers. Starting at the greater number, 11, you count 1, 2, 3 numbers. So the 2 numbers that share the middle are 3 and 4. We're going to add those numbers together, divide by 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is a median of 3.5. Okay, a quick review. What is the mode? The mode is 3. What is the median? The median is 3.5. This concludes the part 1 video. Stick around for part 2. We're going to go into detail and find what is the median. Hey, if I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share these videos. Math is easy, step by step.